Hey adventure lovers, Tiffany here from DP Payne Travel. Today we're talking about Know Before You Go, how to be prepared and confident when traveling. First, learn about your destination. Follow official tourism pages for the city, region, or resort you're visiting. Check out activities you enjoy, hiking, biking, snorkeling, sightseeing, so you know what's available and any important tips. Official pages are great because they give accurate, up-to-date info, unlike fan pages or random reviews, which can sometimes be misleading. Next, follow airport social media pages. Big airports can be tricky, and updates about construction, gate changes, or even real-time TSA wait times can save a lot of stress, especially if you're connecting to another flight. Knowing about delays or changes ahead of time makes your arrival smoother. Check the weather a week or two before your trip. This helps you pack appropriately and plan your days. Whether it's rain, snow, or sunshine, knowing the forecast helps you avoid surprises. We also recommend registering for the U.S. State Department's STEP program. It's free, quick, and lets the embassy know where you are. In case of an emergency, they can assist faster, and it also gives your family peace of mind knowing you're registered. Finally, pay attention to local customs, tipping, and currency. Understanding how things work at your destination, what's polite, what's expected, and how to handle money makes your trip smoother and more enjoyable. So, before you travel, follow official tourism and airport pages, track the weather, register with STEP, and brush up on local customs. A little preparation goes a long way in making your trip stress-free and fun. If you have questions or tips, drop them in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you won't miss our travel advice. Thanks for tuning in. See you on our next one.